Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can save an email as a template in Mailchimp. So, when you first open Mailchimp, you'll be presented with a dashboard such as this, right? But the thing you want to focus on this top left side button here to create. Once you click on that, you can create one of any of these type of emails, but I'm just going to do a regular email, right? This one, design email. Now you can make it from scratch or you can have a basic layout, or if you have a premium plan, you can do a fully designed template such as this. I'm gonna do a basic layout as an example. Let's click on this. Now you can pick any which one of these templates you want to use. I'm going to do something like this one, this natural one, apply. Now once here, I'm going to just make some basic modification to show that it did save as a template. So for example, here, I'm just going to delete this image right here. I'm going to delete that image and I'm going to change this text as well. This is a template I used. So something like this, yes. Now, once you're happy with this email template, you can, instead of clicking save and exit, you want to click on this drop down menu and click save as template. Now on this template, I'm going to call it John Doe template. Save. And then we can return to campaign. And there we go. Now our template is saved, right? So if we click on this arrow button again, we can click on change template. And then we can find our template here. Keep scrolling. If you don't find your template here, it's going to be all categorized under here, save templates, right here, right? You can see there's already the text there. It says, this is a template I used. You can preview this if you'd like. See, like this. You can also continue to filter here. You can start with the clean template. And now we have a clean template such as this. And this is a template that's fully functioning. You can add all sorts of stuff. You can add a heading, right? And you can add a button. You can add an image again if you'd like. You can even change the styles, the email, the body color. I can change it to green, or that's yellow, this green. I can change it to light green, very light yellow, tons of things. You can also even add a drop down a background image here by dragging and dropping the image. You can change the style of the text. You can add links, change the links, change the button color, change how the divider functions, all sorts of stuff.